Welcome to the Global Dream. Today, we are going to learn how many ways we can style our codes. Okay, in a very brief, how many ways we can write our CSS codes. Okay, welcome to Web Development course. It's a full stack web development course, step by step for beginners. I am teaching web development step by step, and it's completely free. But if you feel mm, you need to move faster, you can contact with us and we can mm, coach you one on one basis. Okay. Now, what are we going to do? Mm, Just I type here exclamation sign, then press enter, okay? And it is emits software uh, or widget that is auto-completing the whole HTML boilerplate, okay? This is called HTML boilerplate, but it is actually HTML template, okay? Now what we are going to do, I can say 3 ways to style our web pages, right? How many ways we can style our web pages? 3 ways we can style our pages. Okay, uh, we can write the question here. How many ways we can style our web pages? Question is very important. Okay, let's save it and just right button click and open with live server. Now, sometimes you will find your computer is not rendering what you want. Okay, sometimes when you just right button click and open with live server, the live server may not work. What will you do in that case? One you can do, you can reload the page, okay? Or what you can do, you can just uninstall and reinstall the software from here, okay? Just click here and this is live server. So this live server is not working, okay? So just uninstall it and reinstall it. Okay, I'm not doing it, but I'm going to show you if you face such a problem, how you can solve it. Okay, so if you face such a problem, just go here, right button click, index.html, then reveal in File Explorer. Reveal in File Explorer, click here, okay? And you will find the index.html file here. Double click or just right button click, then go to open with, and you can choose on which browser you want to open it. I want to open it with Google Chrome, so I just click on it and boom, that's the beauty. And it's an amazing how many ways we can style our web pages. Okay, fine. Now let me answer. Two, I can type H2, then press enter and can say we can style our web pages in 3 ways. Okay, in three ways. And these are, I can say UL, UL means unordered list. Okay, inside unordered list, I can say LI. LI means list item. Uh, one way is mm, inline CSS. Okay, then what I can do, I can just press on shift button, then press on alter if you are using Windows, then just press down arrow and it will copy one by one. And another one is internal CSS. Internal CSS. And the last one is external CSS. So CSS can be of three types and three ways we can style. One is inline CSS, then internal CSS, then external CSS. How? Let's see. Just refresh it, and I can see we can style our web pages in three ways. Okay. Now, what is internal? What is external? What is inline CSS? Let me show you by example. Okay. Example is better than precept. Okay. So I want to say, for example, I want to style body, and I just type style. Okay, I just type style. Okay, press enter, and this style, this is attributes. Okay, and this is attribute value, and inside the attribute value we have to tell the browser what we are going to style. I want background color to be light green. Okay, light green. Where is light green? Light green is here. Okay, light green. Now background color of what? Background color of the whole body of the web page. Okay, so inside the body I have everything, and I want its background color to be light green. Let's go and refresh the browser. Boom, light green color has been the background of the web page, right? Amazing. Now, what we did, we style the body writing CSS code inside the line. Okay, line. So this is called inline CSS. Okay, now I can write CSS code here, style background color, background of h1 tag. I can say background will be yellow. Okay, yellow, and I can say text color, that is color will be crimson. All right, now just go and refresh, see the magic. Okay, h1 has become, the background color has become yellow, and the text color has become crimson. Amazing. Is it isn't it amazing? Yes, it is. Okay, now number two, internal CSS. This is called inline CSS, and I want to now remove all these things. Okay, go back to previous stage, and now I want to show you how we can style internally. To style internally, what we will do is inside the head tag, opening head tag and closing head tag, I just type style. Okay, and I can just same way style our web page. I can say body background color will be yellow, okay, and mm, color will be, say for example, hot pink, okay, and let's go and check. Yes, that's beautiful. Text colors has become hot pink and the background color has become yellow. Now, I don't want to style, this is called internal. Internal means I'm using the same page on HTML page. I'm styling all the contents internally. Okay. Now, I want externally uh, style all this web page. Okay. Now, what I can do to do it, I have to create a style.css. Okay. Now let me just delete everything. Okay. Or I can keep it, whatever I have. Okay. Actually, I don't want to keep it. I want to show you how we can style externally. To do it, we have to link. We have to take link tag. Okay, here is our link tag, and each wrap is an attribute and it has some value. And inside the value, we have to mention the name of the path. Okay, actually, style.css is inside CSS folder, so I have to mention the name of the folder CSS. Then just take the style.css. Okay, so take the style.css. So when I just put slash, it's showing how many um, pages there. Only one. So take it and just save it. Okay. Now we can start styling. We can say body tag, this body tag here, body, okay, and I want background color to be green, okay, and color to be red, okay, and what else? That's okay. And I want H1 and H2 to be color not red. Say, for example, I want it to be blue. Okay. And now check your website. Boom. Okay. So we have already learned how to style our web pages uh, inline, internally, and externally. Okay. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get a notification. Actually, when you are subscribing this YouTube channel, you are saving at least $10,000 because to learn web development, if you go to bootcamp, you have to spend at least $10,000. And there are many boot camps. They charge $20,000 just for learning um, full stack web development, just for teaching full stack web development. Okay, if you want to learn more, go to um, about section and grab our Gmail and shoot us an email. Okay, we will be there to share our knowledge. Thank you so much.